Good morning, sixth graders. Happy Wednesday. Go ahead and flip to the page in your packet that we worked on yesterday. It ended with these two things where you were supposed to make your own claim with a text structure. I want to give you an example of what a strong one looks like. We're going to break it down a little bit, and then you're going to get an opportunity to redo yours. So remember, first you are making the claim. Go ahead and annotate the word claim by writing argument right above it. I think a lot of us forgot that this is an argument that we were supposed to be making. So go ahead and write argument above the word claim. And it must argue that students should have recess every day. So whatever piece you end up writing in here should end up making that argument or that claim. And here's how you were supposed to do it in the first one. Follow along while I read this example. Kids spend too much time cooped up inside, and it causes them to lose focus on work. Students should have 20 minutes of recess time per day to go outside and get the wiggles out. They will talk less during class and have more focus. It will also be an incentive that teachers can take away when kids misbehave. So what I want you to do right now is in that box, jot down problem and solution, or so maybe there's more than one in here. So what is the problem of this person outlined? And then what are the solutions that they gave? Go ahead and jot that down right now. Okay, so your answer should look something like this. The problem is that kids spend too much time cooped up inside, and it causes them to lose focus on work. And they gave the solution, which is that students should spend 20 minutes of recess time per day to go outside. And then maybe you included the rest of it, maybe you didn't, because it's part of the solution. This really details the solution, but the actual solution to the problem, to this problem right here, is that they should go outside for 20 minutes per day. The most important part here is that by using the problem and solution structure, we are able to realize that students should have recess every day. It's a lot stronger to use one of these text structure options instead of just stating your claim, kids should go outside. If you present it as a problem or a solution, then it makes your claim a lot stronger. That's the case with these 4 ones we presented yesterday, and that's why so many authors use them. So right now, what you are going to do is redo either your problem and solution one or your cause and effect one. And this is going to be part of your exit ticket for today. So flip to the back where it says like other rewrites. And then what I want you to do right here is Tuesday rewrite, and then write either problem and solution or cause and effect. Sorry, don't write that whole thing down. Just write either this or this and choose which one you're going to redo to make it super strong. Remember, it absolutely must make that claim that students should go outside. Once you are done, unpause the video. Okay, welcome back. So what we're going to do today is something pretty exciting. We are going to start building a claim that we have, and then tomorrow we are going to have to guess which structure out of these 4 our classmates chose. So your claim that you're writing today is going to be students should get recess every day. I know we just brainstormed that a little bit, but I mean, you guys are going to be writing a full paragraph with lots of like really well-developed evidence today. You can even use the internet to Google and brainstorm that. And then go ahead and choose one of these assigned text structures. I'm really going to push you to do something different than what we have before. If you choose comparing and contrasting, think it might be a good idea to compare and contrast what it's like, what a day would be like for students that do get to go outside and what happens if they don't. For sequence writing, you can make a really strong argument by talking about what a student's day is like if they get recess and how much better it would be, stuff like that. So go ahead and jot down your assigned text structure. And then now that you know what you are writing about, you're knowing the claim that you are making, you are going to write a paragraph making that claim using the structure. Go ahead and write a topic sentence right at the beginning. This introduces what you're going to talk about and make sure that you hook the reader. Okay, so if you're watching this right now, you should have a topic sentence written right here. And I want you to ask yourself, does it hook the reader? Is it really interesting? And does it kind of really introduce the fact that I'm going to talk about this structure or this claim? Okay, so now for your supporting sentences, I want you to have at least 3 different sentences that not only build using the structure that you chose, but that make this claim. You can use the internet too if you want to develop some thoughts, Google facts or information that could support your thought. And then you're going to have a sentence at the end that ties it all together. Go ahead and fill out this brainstorm right here. I want it to be really strong. And I think it'd be a great idea to have more than just, 4 sentences. You can add a few in each box or something like that.